Guys, I have a revelation. Listen, I discovered something. I know I have this episode of discovering something once in a while, but I really did discover something. This revelation changed a lot in my drawing routine. You know how artists always draw like this, like quick, like you want to make smooth lines, so you go very fast, so it goes smooth, right? Well, this is so wrong, and I have been doing this the whole time, my whole life. I have been doing this, and it's actually making everything so much more difficult, and I'll tell you why, and I'll tell you how I discovered it. I always go and look for inspiration. I often go to Cyrene, and I wonder, like, her lines are wobbly. I go to Piccolo. His lines are kind of wobbly too, like they are not so smooth, and I already knew that you should draw with straight lines, not too many like round lines. I knew that, but I didn't know that the speed in which you go, the speed in which you draw can change so much, but it makes so much sense. I'll show you. You should draw slowly. You should just draw slowly and everything goes so much better. Like, it's so easy. And I'll share my screen with you. Let's go to Procreate. Do you see this? This drawing, it took me 1 hour 40 minutes. It's crazy. Why? Because it was easy. Why? Because I was drawing slowly. I was doing the lines slowly. And although they are wobbly, do you see that? They are not perfect. They are kind of ugly lines, but the whole picture is so much better. It's so much more effective. Let's go to a new canvas. My sketchy brush set, just a sketch liner, and I'll show you. When you draw a circle, when you draw a face, what I did and what most of artists do, I think, is doing it like this, like super fast, and then I'm not really trying my best right now, but what you should do is doing an ugly slow circle, then ugly slow line, ugly another line, and they are all wobbly, but your brain has more time to think about it, so you do it better. Wait, I'll just give this fast one a try so you can compare it a little bit better. Trying to go like this. Do you see the difference? Like the first one, the upper one, it's kind of prettier, but when you go in and you flip the canvas, you see this one, the upper one, is less symmetrical because you don't have so much control because you draw too fast. You shouldn't draw like this. You should draw like this so you can have more control over the lines. You can make the shapes better, and it also connects to the fact that you should draw more straight lines. When you draw slowly, you can create more straight lines. Do you know what I mean? I hope you know what I mean. Yeah, so I just wanted to tell you, I guess. Yeah. Anyway, if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, because do you see this? I got all made up for you. I got ready for you, like all this makeup and this clothes. I took a shower and everything just to make this video for you. So you can give me a thumbs up for this. Okay. Anyway, go to my channel and give it a thumbs up. It helps me. I'm a small creator, so help me out. Peace out, and check out my brushes. They are on my website, alicyaprince.com. They are amazing. Chef's kiss. I promise you. I love you. Bye.